Non-calculator question 11. So calculate 36% of 4,500. Now, given this is a non-calculator paper, we really have to use the building block method. So step one, always start off by working out what 10% is. 10% is a tenth. So we need to go and divide 4,500 by 10. Now hopefully you'll remember, if you're just dividing by 10 and you've got a naught on the end, you just basically knock that naught off. So 4,500 divided by 10 is 450. Now to build up to 36%, we're going to need a 10, a 10 and another 10. Those together give us 30%. So a 10, a 10, a 10, or a £450, a £450, a £450. So far up to there we've got 30%. Now we need to build up this other 6%. So I've decided to do that by a 5% and a 1%. Now 5% is half of 10%. So I've just halved this. Half of 450 is 225. Now 1% is a tenth of 10%. To get 10% to 1%, you divide by 10. So we've got to divide 450 by 10. Now we said a minute ago, how do you divide by 10 if you've got a naught on the end? You just knock the naught off. So 1% is 45. So 10 and 10 and 10 and 5 and 1 is 36%. Add these together, we get 1620.